Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Can you see this? It's become so dirty. The last time I washed was for the video. I could have washed it today, but I'm going to get the car sanitized also. So I'll show you what's the process. Even I don't know what they're going to do. Let's see. I'm going to Ceramic Pro, Rajaji Nagar. I'll get the car washed and we'll get the car sanitized also. Guys, and one more thing, if you didn't know what Ceramic Pro was, they're into detailing and paint protection films, and now they're sanitizing the cars also. It's very important to get our cars sanitized, you know, because of this whole situation. We keep roaming here and there, so I think it's better to get the car sanitized once in a while. And just to clarify, I'm not sponsored by Ceramic Pro or anything. I wish I was, but yeah, this is just, you know, out of my curiosity, I'm going there. I'll be getting the car sanitized like I told. And this car was also detailed by them, the Ceramic Pro guys. It also has the paint protection film, and I'll also add a small video of my car getting the PPF installed. I think that should be interesting. It has some cool cinematic shots. If you want to check them out, I'll leave the link in the description, the contact details and the address. You can go and you can give them a call, or you know, if you have any doubts, you can just ask them. They do it for all the cars, bikes, so they're pretty good at what they do actually. So guys, this is the Ceramic Pro. This is the Rajaji Nagar Ceramic Pro. There are two in Bangalore, but I think this is the best. Hi Abhishek. Hey Shrikant Bondara.
Exact time.
Huh?
Exact time we came.
Yeah bro. Wait, I'll also wear my mask. So guys, we have a Hayabusa here. Just come for... This is done, bro?
Yeah, it's done. Full done.
Cars with bright colors especially, it makes a lot of difference. Look at the shine on this. There's a Varna. And there's a Royal Enfield too. This has come in for PPF.
You done the GPS on the tank.
Bro, this is a new bike.
New bike, not registered.
Oh. This bike has come straight from the showroom. And there's a BMW X3. So before I show you the sanitization process, watch this small cinematic clip and let me know how it is. And if you didn't know, the Hayabusa, they have stopped the manufacturing. The last Hayabusa I think was sold in Bangalore. You cannot buy a new Hayabusa now. You can only go for pre-owned ones. There's a new all new facelifted one coming, so that's why they stopped the production of this model. I think this is almost 12 years old if I'm not wrong. The same design. It badly needed an upgrade, so let's hope the new one lives up to the legacy of this one. And my car is inside. So guys, first they do the pressure water wash, and now they're gonna put the soap. Look at that. Guys, the car is all washed and it looks new. They're starting the sanitization process now. First they're going to clean these AC vents. A foam estara Shrikant Lopla. There is some kind of foam. He's going to put that in the AC vent. అది బయట వస్తుందా? So once the AC cleaning is done, they're going to clean the seats. They have some special leather cleaning foam. So that's pretty much it. They'll clean the entire interior, and after that they'll use some special liquid, you know, to clean the steering wheel and the gear lever. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the sanitization part. The car feels fresh now. So make sure to check out Ceramic Pro Bangalore in Rajaji Nagar. They do a pretty good job. So if you guys want PPF, Ceramic Pro, sanitization, anything, they are the ones to go for. The owner is a really good friend of mine. I think he'll give you a good discount also if you tell my name, Catch a Mile or Gautam. So that's it guys. If you have liked it, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. So this is how you do the emission test. We have to start the car. ಏನದು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?
ಗಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಆ ಪೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಆ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫೇಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದರಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
So they inserted that thing inside the exhaust and we are waiting for the result. ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು?
That's only for diesel.
Okay. For diesel cars we have to accelerate so that it can capture more, but for petrol cars you don't need to do that. They just put the off ಮಾಡಲಾ? That's all. We are waiting for the result now. ಓಕೆ. ಓ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಓ, ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೇ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಮೈ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. This is the certificate. So we're going to keep this along with the other documents.